I'm thoroughly impressed with the Watermelon Glow Dew Shield SPF 30. This sunscreen is lightweight and invisible, blending effortlessly under makeup without leaving a white cast or greasy finish. It's hydrating thanks to ingredients like glycerin, watermelon seed oil, and vitamin E, which provide long lasting hydration and a fresh glow. It offers broad spectrum protection against UVA and UVB rays with clean chemical UV filters and includes niacinamide to support the skin barrier and brighten dark spots. The scent is lovely, reminiscent of watermelon. It's also non comedogenic, dermatologist-tested, vegan, and cruelty free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Overall, this sunscreen delivers on its promises, providing protection, hydration, and a beautiful glow, making it perfect for everyday wear.